Hello, in this video, I just wanted to do a quick review of HostGator.com. HostGator started their web hosting services in 2002, and now HostGator has become one of the largest web hosting companies in the world, with over 8 million domains hosted. And HostGator now has over 850 employees to take care of all your web hosting needs. HostGator offers many different web hosting packages, which includes shared hosting, dedicated server hosting, VPS hosting, and even reseller hosting. Each shared hosting account comes with unlimited disk space and bandwidth. This means you can upload unlimited files to your website without worrying about running out of space. Plus, if you have any questions about your website or hosting account, you can contact their live chat support anytime during the day or night. HostGator also offers coupon codes to help you save money on your web hosting plans. To save 25% on any web hosting package, use the coupon 25OFF coupon 2015. To save $9.94 on any web hosting plan, use the coupon 994 coupon 2015. I have also included the HostGator coupon codes below this video.